Welcome back my channel. This is JM. For today, back on my vlog. So, aeroplano. So, this man, it is school at the nanay house is better. What the television. So, this mom is at 10:30 a.m. So, ganda no? Yes, ayun, nagkaroon tayo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on YouTube and Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and also www.gmapilingless na yung pasko.com/GMTV. See you later, guys, on Wednesday. Bye-bye!